Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tiwari and you're watching my channel Miss Good Rebel. Yes, so today I'm having this beautiful product from Calabar. This is a new range which says it's a scandal kajal. Okay, the name itself is so beautiful and a mystery. मतलब ऐसा क्या है इसमें जो कि एक स्कैंडल काजल को उसको बोला जाता है. मैंने ये शेड लिया है पूल साइड एंड एज द नेम सजेस्ट पूल साइड इट हैज टू बी रिलेटेड टू ब्लू. अब दिस इज अ रिव्यू ऑफ दिस काजल and I thought I'd be sharing it with you guys. So I'll be using, oh my god, I thought it liquid है or something but it's so, खोलते ही साथ ही थोड़ा सा टूट गया. But this tells me it's how beautifully pigmented. बहुत अच्छा pigmentation है and this is not exactly blue, it is a green blue mixed shade. तो एक crayon है, beautiful सा crayon है, ऐसे रोल ऑन वाला है, मतलब अंदर और भी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट है इसके. आप चाहे तो इसको ऊपर नीचे करके अपने अकॉर्डिंग निकाल सकते हैं एंड खोलते टाइम थोड़ा सा केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा वरना मेरी तरह प्रोडक्ट ऐसे थोड़ा सा वेस्ट हो सकता है. नाउ जिस हिसाब का इसका पिगमेंटेशन है और जो टेक्सचर है इट्स वेरी लाइट एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्प्रेड. सो दिस काजल आई थिंक इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ लाइनर. You can use it for graphic eyeliner. It can even be used as a eyeshadow and it can even be used as a kajal in your eyes. So I'll be using it and I'll let you know how this product works and whether it's worth the hype or not. Oh my god. I know you might be thinking I'm overreacting but this is so easy. मतलब एक glide में in one swipe you are actually getting the complete look. मतलब कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, इतना कुछ रगड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Simple one swipe और simple one glide and you can see मतलब कितनी easily ये color show हो रहा है मेरी skin पे. So the pigmentation is really nice. उसके अलावा I like the shine that it has. मतलब डल नहीं है कलर, बहुत ब्राइट है and it will definitely look good on girls with all types of complexions. I mean I have a really fair complexion and it's going really well with my eyes, but I'm also sure it's going to go on brown shades, on brown skin tones, on darker skin tones because it's not that dull, it's bright and it is giving a beautiful look. The best part about this product I'll say is the pointed edge that it has. I don't know इसको sharp करने के बाद ये इतना pointed होगी या नहीं होगी, but right now इसकी जो pointed edge है वो बहुत easy है application के लिए. You don't have to rub it a lot. बिल्कुल slight, जैसे lipstick का texture होता है ना, इसका texture बिल्कुल वैसे है. In fact even smoother than that. जिन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है स्मेल वाली प्रोडक्ट से कि फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं चाहिए या किसी टाइप की स्मेल नहीं चाहिए, उनके लिए दिस प्रोडक्ट इज द ऐप बिकॉज इट हैज आई कांट स्मेल एनी ऑफ इट. देयर इज नो फ्रेग्रेंस एट ऑल. प्लस बहुत हैंडी है, मतलब छोटू सा है, आपके पाउचेस में भी आ जाएगा, मेकअप पाउचेस में, आपके क्लचेस में भी आ जाएगा, बैग्स में तो ऑब्वियसली आ ही जाएगा. सो इजी टू कैरी. When we talk about the price, it was for around 750 for me. I did not purchase it myself, but one of my sister-in-law, she gave it to me as a gift, and it's quite expensive. But then the quantity it says it has around, it has 1.4 grams, which is usually that we get in every kajal that we own. It's usually 1.3 or 1.4 or 1.5 grams. So the quantity is pretty good and I'm sure it's going to last long. As far as the longevity of product is concerned on the eyes, on the face, I think I'll just put it on today for hours and then I'll continue this video further. I think people with oily skin like me ना, मतलब उनका यूजुअली काजल यहाँ आ जाता है जब हम ऐसे कर यूजुअली जब हम ऐसे लाइनर लगा के और जब हम आईज ऊपर करते हैं या रोल ऑन करते हैं और वी सी एनीवेयर एल्स what actually happens, this liner gets stuck over here because I have really oily skin. Not oily exactly, there are some parts which are really oily and there are some parts which are really dry, so it's a combination skin that I have. But for me, the major struggle usually is whenever I put a liner, it comes along here. It creates a crease on its own, which actually looks really bad. I've tried Nykaa gliding pencils and those liners do that on my eyes. But as for now, I cannot see any crease made by this beautiful kajal, and I don't know whether to call it a kajal or a crayon or beautiful thing this is. This is beautiful. I'm going to invest in it more because the look that it's giving is beautiful. Shoot after few hours so that I know ये कितनी देर stay करता है, पानी के साथ ये चलता है या नहीं. I'll just go through every step and then we'll continue this video. Hi guys, so now it's been around 2-3 hours since I've applied this kajal. थोड़ा सा faded लग रहा है या नहीं? Well, I'll tell you the correct story here. See, I went to the market after applying this kajal and basically हुआ क्या कि it started smudging off here. Yes, क्योंकि मेरा face oily हो रहा था and I told you कि usually सारे काजल या सारे liners when your skin is oily they tend to get upon the skin, right? तो वो spread होने लगते हैं. So the same thing happened with this one. That's a drawback that I found out about this product. Another thing that's important for this product is how long lasting it is. So like it has been the entire day today. I've been applied this like अभी 4-5 घंटे तो हो गए आराम से और वो अभी भी लगा हुआ है. And the other thing, I tried to just smudge it with my hand, just in order to rub it from the sides or the edges, but it did not get smudged. That means it lasts forever and it does not get smudged until unless you use a makeup remover for removing this kajal. So that's a plus point. Now my shade is poolside. There are many more shades in this. This is mentioned here. You can check out here, and the link is also mentioned in the bio. So if you want to buy the other shades of this product, you can go ahead and give it a try. Hope you like this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel for more genuine reviews and updates of products. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, keep trying new products, keep watching my videos and take care of yourself. Bye bye.